The number 4! Hi! I'm Coco. Welcome to my pool. Grab yourself a pool floaty. There are 4 to choose from. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pool floaties. Are you ready to dance? Let's go! F O U R 4. We also have pool noodles. There are 4 different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pool noodles. Are you ready to dance? Let's go! Number 4 dance. Rectangles have 4 sides. This pool has a rectangle shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. This hot tub has a rectangle shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. The diving board has a rectangle shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. The hot tub is also a square shape. Squares have 4 equal sides. One, 2, 3, 4. The number 5. Count the hot dogs. 1 hot dog. 2 hot dogs. 3 hot dogs. 4 hot dogs. 5 hot dogs. Race day. Welcome to the 3rd annual Goko's Churro Cinnamon Cup. Let's meet our racers. In baby blue car number 1, we have Kitty Bungus. In purple car number 2, we have Chi-Chi. Yellow number 3, this is her first race, Caper. And also his first race, Benny, in pink car number 4. And last but not least, number 5, we have returning 2-time champ, Coco. And we're off. Yellow shot out ahead and is the first to cross the bridge. Yellow still in the lead. Red close behind, followed by purple. Oh no, purple hit by a log from the falling log zone. And purple hit again 2 times. What terrible luck. Purple passed by blue. Pink just now exiting the falling log zone. Red and yellow racing toward the iceberg corner. Watch out for the slippery ice. Ooh, yellow slipping and sliding. Red takes the lead. Now they're taking the corner around the Goko's Churro truck. Goko's Churro sponsoring this race. Goko's Churros. Hot, but not too hot. Sweet treat. Goko's Churros. Now blue is struggling in the iceberg corner. Pink struggling as well. Going very slow. Red taking the ramp, followed close by yellow. It's gonna be close. Yellow speeding up to red. Almost at the finish line. And Coco and red is the winner. And the final standings are: in 5th place, Benny. 4th place, Baby Blue Bungus. In 3rd place, we have Chi-Chi. In 2nd place, in her first race, we have Caper. And in 1st place, Coco. Congratulations, Coco! Woohoo! 5. 5. S I V E. The number 6. We are looking for a 6-petal flower. One, 2, 3. Oh, this one has a ladybug. 1, 2, 3. Did you know that insects always have 6 legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This flower has 8 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This flower has 6 petals. Hexagon. 6-sided shape. Hexagon. 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 Want to learn the 6 dance? I made it up myself. It's not too hard, just follow after me. 6! Ready? Let's go! 1, 2, slither like a snake. Hissss. 3, 4, have a bite of ice cream cake. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. 5, 6, make an X as big as can be. X. S-I-X is how you spell 6, which equals 3 plus 3. One more time, a little faster. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, slither like a snake. Hiss. 3, 4, have a bite of ice cream cake. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. 5, 6, make an X as big as can be. X. S-I-X is how you spell 6, which equals 3 plus 3. One more time, a little faster. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, slither like a snake. Hiss. 3, 4, have a bite of ice cream cake. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. 5, 6, make an X as big as can be. X. S-I-X, how you spell 6? Which equals 3 plus 3. One more time, a little faster. Ready? Let's go. S-I-X. 6. The number 6.